Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Daisy. In today's video, I will show you how to customize t-shirts using puff vinyl. I will show you how to work with the design, how to cut it, and how to apply it to the t-shirt. For this project, you will need 3D or puff vinyl. I am using AHIJOY Puff Heat Transfer Vinyl. To cut the design, you can use any Cricut machine. I will be using my Cricut maker. To press the design, you will need either a heat press or the Cricut Easy Press, butcher paper or Teflon layer, a lint roller, and heat-resistant tape. The t-shirts to be customized can be of any color and fabric, whether it's cotton, polyester, or blend. In the description below, I will link all the supplies used in this tutorial. I will go ahead and start working with the design in the Cricut Design Space program. But before, I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. If you would like to use any of the designs that I will be using in this tutorial, I invite you to visit me on my blog. Find the link in the video description down below. I will use this design to customize a black cotton t-shirt and this other one to customize a white cotton t-shirt. For this one, I'm going to be using 2 layers of puff vinyl. And for this other one, I'm going to be using 2 layers of puff vinyl, and the third layer is going to be neon reflective vinyl. Both of them from the AHIJOY brand. I'm going to show you how to upload an image to the Cricut canvas. Download the design of your choice and save it to your computer. Click on Upload, Upload Image, Browse, open the folder where you saved your image or design, select it and open it. This one is already on SVG format, so it has transparent background. You don't have to clean it. Just select it and continue. Once in the gallery, select it and add it to the canvas. Like I mentioned before, I'm going to be using these two. Select the design and click on Group. Erase the watermark. I'm going to select the top layer and I'm going to change the color to red. Now I'm going to select both layers and I'm going to click on Group. Still selected, click on the lock to lock it and resize it. This one measures 10 inches wide, but I'm going to change it to 8 inches wide. I'm going to do the same with the next design. You may leave it like this or you may change the color. I'm going to change the color so I don't get confused when cutting the vinyl layers. Now that I already changed the color, I'm going to select and I'm going to click on Group. Now I'm going to resize it. The designs are ready to be cut. I'm going to click on Make It. I'm going to cut these 2 layers first. Every time we cut heat transfer vinyl, we need to select mirror mode. Do this process on each layer. Now click on Continue. And here we're going to select the material that we're going to cut. I'm going to select Everyday Iron On to cut the puff vinyl. But on the pressure, I'm going to select More. And let's go to the machine. To cut the vinyl, I am using my Cricut Maker machine. You may use any Cricut machine model. The puff vinyl and the reflective vinyl that I am using for this tutorial is from AHIJOY. If you would like to learn more about this product, find the link in the video description down below. Now I'm going to go ahead and transfer the designs to the t-shirt. For that, you may use a heat press or your Cricut Easy Press. I'm going to be using my HTV round auto heat press. Before placing the design, iron your t-shirt. This to remove the wrinkles. Press it for 10 to 20 seconds. Next, clean the surface using a lint roller. Now place a piece of butcher paper or a Teflon layer on top and press at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 seconds. Like I mentioned before, you may use either a heat press or a Cricut Easy Press. It's ready, let's reveal the design. It looks awesome. I am very impressed with the results. I really love customizing t-shirts using the AHIJOY Puff Vinyl. Believe me, in person it looks much better than in camera. If you would like to give this product a try, find the link in the video description down below. Now I'm going to show you how to customize a t-shirt using puff vinyl and reflective vinyl. If you are using puff heat transfer vinyl and another type of vinyl, I recommend you to press the puff heat transfer vinyl last. When I am pressing on black t-shirts, I don't like to use my Teflon layer since it's too small. For this, I like to use a big piece of butcher paper. I'm going to press this layer at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 seconds. If you are going to press this reflective vinyl all along, I recommend you to press it for 20 seconds. This time, because we are pressing again, it only needs 10 seconds. Now I'm going to place the puff vinyl layers. If these layers don't stay, you may use heat resistant tape. Place a big piece of butcher paper on top and press it at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 seconds. Now let's reveal the design. As you can see, it's already puffy. I really love the results using this customization technique. I think it's very unique. Remember to check the description down below, since there I'm going to link all the supplies used in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.